Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to create a rule now. First, make sure you're signed into Outlook on the web and using the mailbox that needs automation. Once done, open Settings, choose View All Outlook Settings, then Mail and Rules. This path accesses server-side processing, which runs even when you're offline. Click Add New Rule to begin. You're starting with the right scope and permissions, so rules apply consistently. This matters because web rules run on the server and handle incoming mail before it reaches. Name the rule with something descriptive so you can find it later. For example, Project X invoices. Next, add conditions. Pick who it's from, words in the subject, or recipient lists. Use multiple conditions to narrow scope. Then choose actions like move to folder, categorize, forward, or mark as read. Make sure to add exceptions for messages you don't want affected. Finally, you stop processing more rules if this should be terminal. That avoids unexpected rule interactions across your list. Save the rule and immediately test it with a sample email so you confirm behavior. You can also run rules manually if needed. After saving, manage rule order in the list. Rules run top to bottom, so adjust priority for conflicting logic. If a rule doesn't fire, check the most common problem. Your condition is too specific or the target folder lives in a connected account. Also verify it's a server-side rule. Otherwise, it only runs when the client is open. That single check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.